Hello, my beautiful friends. It has been so long since I've done a talking video. It's a special occasion because I've gotten the most exciting package of the year. I know it's only February, but I am so freaking pumped to show you what I got in the mail. I've been holding on to it. I've been being patient. I haven't even opened it yet. I've had it for like 2 weeks now, and it's not because I didn't want to open it. There's a lot going on in my personal life, packing up our apartment to move, and it's just been very crazy. So look at this big, beautiful box. Prados Beauty sent me a very generous and large package. I don't remember all the things I chose out, but they reached out to me and were like, hey, we want to send you some stuff. And I was like, okay. So I'm so excited because there are so many good things in here. I'm just going to stop talking and open it so you can see what I got, because it'll be like a surprise with both of us because I don't remember everything that I chose. I remember there are brushes and it's a really beautiful set. So let me just shut up and open the box. Okay. It's an animated version of Cece, the founder, owner of Prados Beauty. I love this so much. Thank you for being part of the team, Prados Beauty. Thank you. I am so happy that we found each other, and I'm just so happy. I love all of you, and I'm gonna make it to New Mexico, and I'm gonna see y'all and meet y'all in person very soon. We need to make a real life connections. Look how beautifully packaged this is. It has the Stephen Paul Judd sticker. OMG, what a beautiful big box. I'm just gonna set it in front of me and just pick stuff out. I'm gonna show you. The very first thing is one of the Sagrado blushes. I think this is the shade Hibiscus. I'm gonna open this so you can see how beautiful it is. I saw it in one of their ads and I was like, I need this blush because it looks like the perfect blush shade for any season. You could just wear it all the time. I'm trying my best not to rip the carton, but it's inevitable because I do it almost every single time. I'm so bad at opening the cartons because it's crisp. Oh yeah, okay, got it. I'm so excited for you guys to see this. Look at this beautiful blush. This is in the shade Hibiscus. I don't have any blush on right now, so let's put it on. You know what? Let me use my new brushes to put on my new blush. This set is so beautiful. The handles are blue. Blue is my favorite color. As soon as I saw them, I was like, I need them. Let me just get my new blush brush. This is not a blush brush, but I'll find it. I found it. Oh, these are so soft. So this brush set is the Blue Skies brush set, and this is all synthetic hair, also made from 100% recycled materials, which is awesome for the environment. I'm gonna get carried away because their blushes are so pigmented. Ooh, yep. Oh, this is beautiful. Look how stunning. The Sagrado collection, they also have an orange blush. I need to go to 13 Lune and pick it up. If you don't know what 13 Lune is, it is the beauty section inside of JCPenney. And it's all BIPOC beauty brand owners, which is great. So check it out. This blush is so pretty. I need to show you like at a different angle. Look at it. Let me do the other side. This blush is perfect. I also have the blush, the quad from the Matriarch collection, where I tap all the excess off. But all of the shades are so beautiful and so pigmented. So if you're looking for new blush, definitely check out Prados Beauty. They have very pigmented blushes and they just go on so soft and look so beautiful. Check them out. It also included a Stephen Paul Judd sticker. I'm definitely going to put this on my water bottle. All of his artwork is just so beautiful. It needs to be showcased at all times. The next thing is the reason they reached out to me. They were like, do you have any of our like hygiene skincare products? And I was like, no. So they sent me their whole kit. So we have a reusable hygiene facial kit, the Done with the Slay makeup remover. I've seen Mo use this and it looks amazing. Also some Dermaplaning facial razors, which I definitely use because I'm Latina and hair is inevitable. So the kit comes with 1 washcloth, 2 wristbands, 2 facial pads, and a wash bag. Really, my husband told me, he was like, you need something so you can stop getting your makeup water all over the sink. And now I have something. He's gonna be so happy. Oh, of course, these are the pads. Really fluffy too. I'm very excited to use these. When I'm done with my slay, I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna show you how it all works. Super soft, very fluffy. Oh, it feels nice when you squeeze it. It's like really satisfying. So excited about these. Thank you so much. This is the washcloth. Oh, it's so soft. This is going to feel so good on my face. This stands, which I am most excited for. So cute. The little detailing of the logos. This is perfect. The bag. So cute. This is coming with me when we move because I'll definitely be using this every single day. The Dermaplane razors come with 2 large razors and 1 small one. Of course, they say Prados, so cute. And they have a nice big handle, which is good. This is the large one. This is the small one. So this one would probably be good for like cleaning up your eyebrow area, and this one would be better for like the rest of your face. Last thing in this set is the makeup remover. I love the square bottle. I love all the purple details. I'm so excited about this. I do have a cleansing balm, but it sometimes leaves like a weird like residue. So I think this will probably be like my go-to from now on. I've seen Mo use it and it looks like it works really, really, really well. So I think I'll like the way that feels on my skin better because I don't like when it feels slick because then it doesn't feel clean. So super excited about this. I have 2 more things to show you, which I am thrilled about, so keep watching. This is the Matriarch eyeshadow palette. I don't know if you've ever used Prados eyeshadows, but they're pretty good. I have, I think, almost all the palettes now, and I love every single one of them. Oh, yes, I remember. This whole little section right here, freaking stunning. The rest of the palette, this top row with the pinks and the reds and the purples. This is a good, like, essential palette because you have nudes and then you have, like, a brown and a black, but then you also have really beautiful, like, metallic-y shimmers and pops of color that you can play with. If you're looking for colorful eyeshadow palettes, then you're going to get a lot of eyeshadow for a really good price that are really good quality. Check them out. I think I'm going to do an eye look with this, actually. Hold, please. Okay, so I finished my eye look using this palette, and oh my freaking gosh. I have one more thing in my box. A lipstick from the Sagrado collection. This is all Sacrit. Really pretty brownie nude kind of color. And as soon as I saw this, I was like, I need it. Let me line my lips and I'll put this on. Okay, my lips are lined. Now let's use the lipstick. Has a really nice, precise applicator. Oh, that's nice. That is so beautiful. This lipstick is like the perfect shade of brown. I don't think I've owned a lipstick this tone because it reminds me of like milk chocolate or Bluebell, the Dutch chocolate ice cream. That's what this reminds me of, and it is stunning. It will go with any look, like even this bright, bold look. It looks so good. Even if you just had mascara on, it would look so good. And it feels pretty comfy on the lips too. I will list everything in the comments or the caption of each product and their price. I do have an affiliate code with Prados Beauty. It's just Grabby Patty, all caps. And if you forget, you can just click the link in my bio. It's my website. And if you swipe over, it'll have all of my links and you'll find the Prados one to save 10% on your entire purchase. I hope you loved this because I am over the moon. I don't know how I didn't like break into the box and like look at everything before I filmed this video, because like I said, I've had this package for almost like 2 weeks and it's just been a little crazy. But thank you so much, Prados Beauty. I love you guys so much, and I am gonna see you in person eventually, hopefully soon. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in another video.